This lead just came in. Within 30 seconds, the business owner got an instant notification with every single customer detail, completely automated, running 24/7, and costing exactly $0.
You don't need a corporate IT budget or a software engineering degree to protect your speed to lead. Automation isn't a luxury for big corporations anymore. It's a tool for everyone. Let's pop the hood on this workflow and look at the exact mechanics.
This is KNIME. It's open source, completely free, and instead of writing code, you program visually by connecting blocks called nodes. These are each individual nodes in our workflow. We'll start here because this is where our intake starts. This is the Google Sheets reader. It pulls our website from form submissions live, but we don't want to spam our inbox with old leads, so we plug in a row filter. This acts as our gatekeeper. It blocks out any row that already says sent and only lets fresh, unread leads pass through. Now, what happens on a slow day when there are 0 new leads? A standard automation loop will crash and throw an error. To make this production grade, we add the empty table switch. Think of this as a mechanical traffic cop. If there's a lead, it sends data down the top track to fire your notifications. If the table is empty, it bypasses the entire system safely underneath straight to the finish line. This single node means your workflow can run on a timer every 15 minutes, day or night, and it will never break. When the lead hits this top track, our loop start node turns that row into a temporary variable, hands it off to the send email node, and fires the alert. But if we stop there, the system would resend the same email on the next run. We have to update the spreadsheet. Notice how our main data table completely bypasses the loop on this middle track. This keeps our original row positions 100% intact. We feed it to the constant value column appender to stamp our status column as sent. Finally, this red variable line acts as our logical guard. It forces KNIME to wait until every single email is sent, successfully delivered, before letting the Google Sheets updater write back to the master spreadsheet.
Look at the code. It's not a mountain of syntax, an assembly line built on clear logic. By switching from overpriced platforms or complex coding to free, visual tools like KNIME, enterprise-level efficiency becomes accessible to anyone with a computer. In our next video, we're going to take a look at how this works live. We'll go into a website, fill out the contact form, see what happens on the back end, and show you how this is a great real-world application. Hit subscribe, go to KNIME and download the free application, and go build something. I'll see you next time.